We're in Chinatown today, and we're here to solve the case of the Hidden Waterfall. Let's come in here for a minute. This is where the Hidden Waterfall shows up, right in here. We've got water pouring out of the ceilings in here. So that's spread out then horizontally. You get damage all the way over here, which is a good 20 feet from that other area. You had a lot of water in here, didn't you?
A lot of water. When they got this, it's a little bit like rain. And see the
all these books got wet.
Yeah, wet. So
when we saw that water coming in, do you know where it was coming in? Like, can you see from the video where on that?
We're in a utility closet here, and we can see that the pipe that goes up through the roof has been temporarily patched. This is where the water's been getting through. We're on the roof, and we've just looked at the interior situation. There's quite a bit of water that came in around these pipes right here. And Mr. Chen is going to explain what might have contributed to this problem.
Yes, this building, they hire a group to fix their wall, and they say they have to do something on our roof. So they ask us, and we said, okay, you can do, but you have to keep everything good. And they said, fine, if you have any question, just tell us, we can fix it. And so we let them to come to our roof to fix the wall. So they said they have to remove the pipe to fix the building. I don't know why, but they did. And when they installed the pipe back, they didn't do the right thing. They didn't seal very good.
So the guys that did this work told you that this was not sealed correctly, and that's why the water came in.
Yes.
So what I'm looking at is a 4-inch opening here and a 4-inch opening over here. It's handling, looks like maybe 40 squares, 50 squares maybe. If you look down here, you can see how that copper pipe ends, and then it connects to something else.
Okay.
Well, that's a non-compression fitting, which means if there's ever any pressurized water in there, it's going to back up around that sleeve and leak. You really want, you know, with these two drains being asked to handle so much water, you have to keep these clean for sure.
Okay.
But you really want to make sure that nothing ever backs up around that, because then it's going to pour right into the building.
Yes, yes.
Kind of got the same thing here. It's not a not pressurized pipe. It's more of a slip joint kind of a setup. What do you got, Dave?
Just the amount of, you know, it's all dust. Like back here, there's a big pile of it. This is the kind of stuff where when it gets into the drain,
Yes.
it almost forms like a mud.
So what we're looking at here, the lighting is bad. You got a sleeve drop tube coming right into this cast pipe, and And there's quite a bit of room around that. It's not sealed by any stretch. Yeah, I say that's fairly well clogged, wouldn't you? Pretty much clean, buddy?
Yeah.
Wow. So, we had a gallon of mud in there, partially solidified mud, that was made up of mortar debris like sand and cement. So, the mystery of the Hidden Waterfall was not what it appeared to be on the roof. We initially thought that there was holes around these two penetrations from the work traffic up there, when in fact, there was a leak around this drain from the debris that the work created.